Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to center text in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document and take some text. Now we want to make this text align, center. Firstly, select some text, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the home menu. Now we can see here many options. Find and select the center align option. Here the center align, then we select it. Now we can see we make this text center align very easily. You can try another text, select the text and again apply this center align. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.